these people are insufferable, bro. You can't be doing this every day, man. Almost dying and shit. I'll call it close to dying. It's my new hobby. And it's really not that bad. I'm on beat mode, so I'm actually not speeding. If y'all can't see the speed, I'm like always probably like 10 miles above the speed limit. And on a motorcycle, it's not terrible. I don't know if y'all can see or not. I'll say the next step would be get a chin mount. So chin mount would definitely help a lot because well, right now I know y'all can hear me because my audio setup is impeccable. But as far as like clarity and me knowing if my GoPro is recording or whatnot, yeah, that's non-existent. That is non-existent. I can't. No, it's not working. But the R6 is so confidence inspiring, bro. 'Cause it's just like, well, compared to the Ducati, first of all, it doesn't fucking vibrate itself to death. I don't feel like the bike is about to break. I don't. Actually, it feels like it wants to go fast, like, you know, and that's very encouraging as far as like going fast. But leaning with this thing is so intuitive. Like the Ducati is, I want to say the Ducati is witchcraft. If I had to describe my experience, it just wants to lean, right? But this thing is telling you you can lean far, and I'll tell you how much control you got over me. Katy doesn't do that. It says lean, but if you fall off, it's your fault. I'm gonna lean if you want to lean. Go ahead. Oh, we here. First of many audio clips. Yes, sir. Are we good? I wanna filter through this shit so bad. So fucking bad. But I don't know how to do that yet, so I'm not gonna press it. And I just started riding. Today, we're not gonna push my luck. We're just gonna do that properly. Whoever did this burnout right here, he did it very recently, because I can still smell it. It smells fantastic, by the way. It smells great. It smells fantastic, brother. Damn, man, it's too bad I can't even switch my music, because I'm not even using the car, though. Damn, I just skip these people? Sorry. Is that my dad? I don't want to get gas here. I want to get gas at Walmart. Let me see if I can take this this low. Yeah, let's go to the gas station. We're just gonna cut to the gas station. I should probably cut the audio until I get to the gas station and then go do something else, but hey. It is what it is, right? Or is it not? It feels like JD fucked up the bike, but it doesn't even know what it's doing right now. Well, it's not a BMW, so I don't think it's doing adaptations and shit like that. But as far as the controls on the thing and being abused and then remembering, yes, it does. And by the way, I'm gonna put a clip of JD almost dying yesterday. Let's see how that goes. That's nice. Little white Charger over there. I'm not a big fan of Chargers, but as far as that one goes, it's pretty clean. I'll give him that. Are they gonna let me go or? Yeah. Man, I feel like a superstar right now. helmet strap. I feel like there's something hitting the helmet from the side. I have no idea what that is. Might be sand. Bullshit. It might be bullshit. Might just be bullshit. It is what it is. I don't really care. Fuck it. Yeah. Emo shenanigans. Man, I got this thing under so much fucking control, bro. It's I might be ready for 1,000. I might be ready for at least 1,000. I was actually offered one of those. I was offered an S1000 a couple months ago as kind of part of a deal. It's part of a deal. So I was handling the client, and they were like, "Hey, so we have a bike here, and you said you were looking for a bike, and we don't know what to do with this one. So would you be interested in purchasing this one?" And I was like, "No, not really. How much?" Because I know they cost around 20K. He was like, "Oh, I mean, we can get it to you for 10, and you can also finance it if you want." I was like, oh damn. But then at that time, I was too focused on getting beginner bikes. Well, intermediate level bikes, because it's definitely not a beginner bike. Definitely not a beginner bike. But intermediate bikes for the people that will be coming in to rent from us. So I decided on RS6 because as far as 600s go, RS6 is kind of like, I want to say, as long as you don't run past 8,000, as I can see, it's pretty much sounds good, doesn't go anywhere. But as soon as you go over, then you start to accelerate a lot, like very fast, very quick acceleration, and it's kind of crazy. Sounds good though, as y'all can see. Go here, y'all can hear it. I'm just annoying to society. I love this bike though, but I can feel that it needs gas, so yeah, it's kind of sputtering everywhere right now. I don't think I'm gonna keep the audio recording at the gas station. I might have to clip it. Yeah, I don't want to waste storage space and shit like that. Just getting gas is kind of weird. Oh, well. Where are we parking at? Why should he just standing there? Yeah, the foot, man, the foot. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah. Cool, we're at the gas station. If y'all live here and y'all never been to this gas station, check the price. You need to be here all the time, every time you gotta get gas, show up. Walmart, that's the move. And it's all the same gas. Don't worry about the quality and shit like that. So I'm about to pull out my phone and make some operational changes. Go to the camera. And also, Walmart Pay is a great thing. People don't talk about it enough, but as long as you got the app, it's a great app. It's a great feature. What's bro right here doing? Well, we got everything sorted. We're back on the road. Big problems. Life happens. Let me get back on my music. It's gonna play through the car though, so it might seep through the mic. I believe it's gonna seep through the mic. I will hope it does seep through the mic. Turn that down a little bit, because I don't like music playing too loud. We're back on the road. Hey man, thanks to God. God is great. God is the best thing that ever happened. I don't even know if God happened or not. That's a very deep question. Did God happen? Cool. We're back outside. Let me make sure my AirPods are somewhere here, because I would not want to lose that. That's a lot of money. Cool, we good? Where we going? GoPro still recording? I always gotta make sure the thing is recording. Yup, it's recording. We good. We good. Damn, bro. People can't fucking. Oh, damn. Exhaust is exhausting right there, man. I like it. Damn, bro. What the fuck are they doing? I'm finna go through the middle of all that shit. All of that shit. Lane filtering. We're doing that now. I have no more remorse, so I'm about to get into the middle of that and go straight that way. I hope it don't rain. If it does rain, that's kind of fucked up. That just looks like it's about to cause an accident. That's what it looks like. I don't know. But that looks like an accident to me. Just waiting to happen. No, I thought it was somebody behind me. That felt like my rear brake just activated. So we good. We R6. Damn, bro. Look at what the fuck. Bro, why do people do that shit, bro? Like, why would y'all just stay in the middle like that? Nah, he can't go. That's stupid. Very stupid and selfish. Yeah, women can't drive. I stand by that. All of that bullshit in the middle, man. That's crazy. I'm about to take it still, bro. I'm filtering. We gonna filter today. Today is a great day. God bless America. Yeah, bro does not want me to filter. But I'm about to filter. Unfortunately. Is you gonna move, bro? Like, is you move? Actually, I don't even think I need to filter, but I could. See, right now filtering would just land me in the. Okay, let's try that. I'm scared. I'm scared of filtering. Okay, yeah, we're about to take it. Let's go. Filter like your life. Whoa! Why is he driving that? E92? Yeah. I think they're meeting up somewhere. They got like a car meet or something like that. I'm about to be a part of that today. Yeah, I'm gonna be a part of that today. I hope I don't stop. It smells like it's about to rain. Yeah. Just making sure for the sake later, post-production, of course. I'm gonna check, see if they got a car meet extra. If they do, I'm gonna be fat. It's about that time. It's about that time. It's highway time. every time I swim. I be blanking, so it's not reckless. If I blank, it's not reckless driving. That's the rule. That's the rule. When she rolling that body. Damn, bro, go, fuck. Damn. Bro, these people are weird, bro. Mozambique. Mozambique. Mozambique here. Mozambique here. That's bad loot. I'm gonna hold that rear brake. Ah, shit. Time to go. Fuck. Mozambique here. Mozambique here. It's been a minute since I played Apex, man. Low key. I need to get back on video games. That would be a great thing. Me back on video games. It's a waste of time, but hey, why not? Right? Why not? I'm pretty sure I-10 is booming right now, man. If the top of that is not booming, I-10 is gonna be booming for sure. And I'm kind of glad I got. Oh shit! Ah, yep. I'm kind of glad I got this GoPro on top of my head because let's see, it makes it seem like I'm taller than I actually am. You know what I'm saying? That's good for me. That's deceitful to y'all people. Do I care? No, most likely. So it doesn't matter.